Here I gave two prompts to the Claude and I have asked just create a Python script that prints hello world and save it to my local folder. It gave me a file and suggested me just download this file and open in VS Code editor. Then again I have told and written a one prompt, use file system server and save it to my local folder. And look what it has done. It saved the file to my local folder, AIML folder with the name helloworld.py. Let's go to the VS Code and see the file is there or not. Here we have our file with the name of helloworld.py and we can also run this file and can get our output. This is happening through something called Model Context Protocol or MCP. Usually, you need paid APIs keys or expensive setup for this kind of agentic behavior. But here, in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up this MCP with your Claude desktop, and you can give your local directory access and files to the Claude, and Claude can rewrite that files, edit. So let's go. If you are building AI projects or coding in Python, there is a struggle always be faced copying the code from the browser and paste it to our editor. Anthropic recently released the MCP Model Context Protocol that works as a bridge between Claude and our local system. While setting up the file system server, we will give the access to our local repository or file to the Claude, and Claude can edit that file, understand the code structure and more. For this configuration, there is need to do two quick things. First is you should have nodejs in your system, and second is you have to install the Claude desktop because this cannot be done on browser. So you can easily go to the Chrome and just search the nodejs website, and you can just simply click on this get nodejs, redirect you to the download page, and you can just click on this according to your configuration of your system. And same for Claude desktop, just search it here, Claude, and you can just simply download the Claude from here. You will be able to download the Claude desktop. You will be done with your Claude desktop download. Just go to your profile and click on the settings and go to the developer section. You will be able to see here edit config. Just click on this, and here you can see Claude desktop config. Click on this and you will be able to see it here. You need to mention three things. First is this command for your nodejs. Second one is what is the name of the MCP, and third one is for which folder you want to give the access to Claude. So these are the three things, those are necessary to start building with your local repository. One more thing related to security purpose, just do not give the access of your enter drive, as here I have just given the access to this folder, and you should also give the access for one folder only. And after editing this, you just need to go here and find the Claude and click the right click on this, and you need to quit this because you have to kill this process from the task manager. And after this you need to relaunch your Claude desktop, and when you will restart your Claude, you will see the file system like this. It will in the running state, and you can also see the logs over here. Now let's test it. I've given this prompt. Let's see. It is It is asking me the access, and I will allow it once. Now again, so let me do it allow always. Right. Okay. Yeah. So now you can see this. Now you can see that it has added a one py file get column names dot py, and we have we have the code. It is reading the csv, writing the columns name for us, right? And it has given here as well what are the column names. So we need to just run this python file. This completely changes that how you can use ai on your own machine absolutely free. I will drop the exact json in the description. You can just copy and paste it. If you find this helpful, hit the subscribe button. Let's meet at another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.